Morning, guys. 5:53 a.m. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Saturday morning, September 5th. Okay, I pulled up Stellarium just to double check if I was actually seeing that Nibiru sun near the moon. And my bad, I should have looked yesterday. Here's Stellarium. I backed it up a day, and wow, that's 427. However, this is about where I saw the object, so I'm thinking it was in fact this star Aldebaran, because I saw it again this morning and it was up here, and I said, whoa, let me check Stellarium to make sure what's going on here, which I should have done. But being that I caught it on that projected view in the same spot, I don't know. I just put two and two together and came up with four, but actually it was three. So anyway, here we'll show you today's image. Okay, we'd have to back it up a hair, but yeah, let's back it up. So I went out about 5 a.m. this morning, and then again before I came up. So as you can see, Aldebaran's to the right of the moon. This was shown a little further away. However, I'm gonna have to stay. It's probably Aldebaran right now, up near the moon, because I don't want to report anything that's not true. So we're gonna go with always the most conservative observation. So there you have it. There's the Stellarium. Let me take that off. I'm located in, this is near Pittsburgh, 40 degrees north lat, 30 longitude. So there you have it on the Stellarium. Here's King's Observatory, Valdosta, Georgia this morning. You see something ghosting across here. Looks like the Nibiru sun to me, being projected or flared out by the moon's light. This is in Connellsville, PA, not too far from where I live, a little bit south. And here's the moon. You can see there's other objects up there that these cameras are picking up. Debris field, whatever. But as you can see, I got totally clear skies here where I live. And you can see it ghosting across up here. And down here, got the wing shape. Here's Winter Haven, Florida. That's where we caught the, it looked like the orange ball with the dot and everything on the reprojected view yesterday, which those shots are just glimpses, and then you move on to the next one. I guess within each cycle, 10-minute cycle. So I felt that I was fortunate to catch that yesterday morning. You can see the moon, and this looks like some debris field being illuminated by it. Looks like the skies are quite clear down there. Single day columns not showing much. I'll zoom it up to 400% because I want you to see these magnetic field lines. Look, you can see them even down here all the way down by Florida now, which is far away from either pole. It's the Earth's magnetosphere, in my opinion, being ramped up to try to repel this invading dwarf star with its highly magnetic magnetosphere. Alright, here we got a nice shot in Manchester, UK. Showing quite red here. Get the winged planet look. Nibiru sun ghosting across the fishtail lens. This would be the sun having risen out there. They're about 6 hours ahead of me or so, something like that. Yeah, it's almost 11 a.m. there. So 5-6 hours. Not showing up on the spread view. I'm talking low because my wife's sleeping in the other room. Here's Trenton, Maine. That's where we caught the nice summary of the day single column images. Here we get the false dawn showing up, flashing out about 5:07 a.m., which is almost 2 hours before an hour and a half anyway before the true dawn out there. There's the moon being illuminated. We get this object here trailing along with it. I don't believe that's a star. The star would not be being illuminated by the false sunrise. It would rather probably go away. So maybe that is what I'm seeing up there. But anyway, down here, was hoping to get a good summary of the day single column image so we could compare the distances. And I don't know, we're not showing anything here by the moon anymore. No moon at all, so unless it's going to be coming up over here, we'll have to wait and see. I'm going to go outside and look at that again just to see what the heck. Alright, I went outside and looked again, and that definitely appears to be Aldebaran. The object I saw yesterday was further left, down below the moon, and it was really moving around. So, I don't know. The Nibiru sun's been quite elusive to catch, especially by the naked eye, so it could or could not be it. I'm not 100% sure either way. But anyway, here we got Tierra del Sol. There's the moon. Got some kind of a reflection, orange ball type looking object there. Looks like debris field. You can see some of the stuff's moving. It shows up better on this horizon view. I'm trying to find a single column summary of the day image where I can see the sun and the moon, and I'm having a real hard time. For instance, this one, where is it? Did they splice it out of there? I would have to say, yeah. It's not uncommon for them to be doctoring things, so I'm surprised it went as well as it did for so long, me catching the comparative images and everything. But could be wrong. We're going to keep looking today, see if we see it, make a comparison. Here's Trenton, Maine, where we've been getting those good comparative shots on this summary of the day, single column images. There we have a nice image of it here above the sun, but where is it down here? Looks like they got the moon just spliced right out of these pictures. So that in and of itself, if that is true, that's further proof that the observations I've been making are correct. And of course they are correct. I mean, what else can it be? Go back and look at the vids. Seeing's believing, folks. Here's Wilton, New York. See the purple sky. Get the false dawn. About 5:25. perhaps earlier. That's the earliest shot we have showing here. I know dawn in Pittsburgh's not till like 6:42, 6:52, something like that. So it can't be that much different here. Certainly not at 5:25 a.m. And I pulled this up to show you. Here we go again. Summer of the day. There's the Nibiru sun. Where is it here? It got taken out. No moon image. Here's Grumpy Moose up in near Anchorage. You can see it's raining pretty well there. I pulled this up just to show you these field lines. I think you can probably see them at 125%, which I always have it set at. That's our magnetosphere trying to repel this foreign, highly magnetic brown dwarf star. Never get a good image down here. Here we have Santiago, Chile. Get the false dawn flashing off there. Or that could be the real dawn there. 7 o'clock. I think it's the false one though, because it's in Santiago, Chile, further west. Anyway, here's the image goes to the cross, the winged object, showing up real well down here, the horizontal panorama spread. And I pulled it up just to double check. Yeah, Santiago, Chile. Sunrise is 7:56 a.m. today. Definitely showing big time flash there at 7:05. So there you get the false dawn. Sun coming up, hitting the Nibiru sun. Hitting the Nibiru sun, and it flashing the sky, lighting the sky up. Here we are in Pontotoc, Texas. Pre-dawn. There it is, the winged disc floating through. That's clearly not a reflection of the moon, guys. That is the Nibiru sun being illuminated in some form or fashion by the moon and then being projected out onto the camera. And go and check for yourself on these allskycam.com website. You'll see the magnetic field lines on all of the horizontal spread pics, nearly all of them. Okay, here's Winter Haven, Florida this morning. I pulled it up to the exact same time. If you recall, yesterday morning, that's when I caught that great shot of what I think was a Nibiru sun in the reprojected view. I was hoping I could pull it up again today. However, of course, everything's in motion, so we don't even have the moon in frame now. Here it was yesterday. See the orange ball? See if I can blow this up even more. Okay, I blew it up again to 400%. Now, to me that looks like the Nibiru sun. Looks like there could be the dot in there. Spot. There's the moon. And this is what we saw yesterday. And like I told you, I saw it out here from Pittsburgh. And it was really dancing around. But I've seen stars dance around like that before too, because the Earth's been rocking to and fro sometimes more than others, but it didn't appear to be anything else moving. So I don't know, guys, but we're gonna get some shots of some good sightings of it, no doubt. It's on the way in. I checked through all the almost all the cameras, and I can't find any good summary of the day single column images where you see the sun and the moon to make a comparison. So I'm starting to think maybe perhaps they put the word out and told them that they have to start monkeying with these single column images anyway. That's what I suspect. So there it is from yesterday. You can go and pull up the video in the morning. First one I made yesterday morning, and it's right at the front of the vid, and you'll see what I'm talking about. God bless. I might make another one.